Scott Groves here with a special mortgage mystery, our 100th video. Pretty awesome that we've made it this far. By the way, if you've enjoyed any of these videos, do me a favor, leave a comment, click the like button, or subscribe. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is, but Scott, I saw a lower interest rate online. Or, but Scott, I saw a lower interest rate advertised on TV. Or, but Scott, I got an email that said I could get a lower interest rate somewhere else. It's so interesting, the consumer behavior. And look, I get it. As a loan officer, I'm embarrassed in our industry that all we advertise is rate. And the reality is the rate is about the fourth or fifth most important consideration when looking for a loan. The first thing you should be thinking about is, do I qualify? Can my realtor and my loan officer work as my advocate to help me get my offer accepted? Because since about 2010, we've had low inventory across the country. So if your realtor and your lender aren't working together to be your advocate to get the offer accepted, then there's no deal and it doesn't matter what the rate is. Now, I want to come back to the rate question, but I saw a lower rate online, in the newspaper, by email, on the Super Bowl commercial. The reality is consumers understand when it comes to the car business that when Lexus advertises a lease for their new car at $299 a month, you can't actually get the car for $299 a month. In the fine print, you got to pay $8,000 up front, and there's only one available in the country, and it's for people with perfect credit that are doing this, that are doing that, and they create this Venn diagram of overlapping circles that no real consumer fits into. It's the same thing when you see rates advertised online. I constantly tell my clients, do me a favor. If you see a rate that looks lower than what we're offering, because the reality is the mortgage market is pretty homogenized. From lender A to B to C to D, the rates are going to be about the same. But I still tell my clients, if you see something lower, send it to me, right? And sure enough, in the fine print, it will say, for conforming loans only. Oh, sorry, Mr. Client, you're above a conforming loan. You're getting a jumbo loan. Doesn't apply to you. Not for self-employed borrowers. Only for clients with a credit score above 800. Only for 25 or 30% down. And the list goes on, right? So what I would tell you is, just like a commercial that shows a very low lease payment, or just like people trying to sell you swamp land in Florida, or just like some advertisement you might get from the email about some pill that's going to save your life and change the way you look. Just realize that when you see a mortgage rate advertised online, on the TV, on the radio, it's that. It's an advertisement. It's a way to entice you to give them a call so they can have an at-bat, so they can get all your information and eventually quote you a rate probably similar to what every other lender is offering. So I get that it's frustrating. I'm a consumer also. I never want to feel like I'm getting ripped off. However, work with a lender you trust. Work with a lender who was referred to you by a trusted realtor or a trusted friend. If you don't have a loan officer who you're working with, give us a call. We'll send you our reviews. We'll send you our rates. We'll send you everything so that you know you're working with a good guy, and we'll help you out. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, we'd love to be here for a conversation as a first resource. Give us a ring. We'd love to help. All of our contact information is below. You can email us, text us, get directly on our calendar. And if you're getting a little confused by all the advertisements and by the rate game that certain lenders play by advertising online for a loan that nobody can actually qualify for, give me a call. I'll walk you through it. Thanks again for watching the video. We appreciate you. If you have any questions that we haven't covered in these first 100 videos, leave a comment below. We'll try to get that video out within 72 hours. And again, if you need something, you know where to find us. Do me a favor. This is our 100th video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. We would love you to help us with the algorithm so that more people see these important videos. Thanks so much.